For today's video, I'm doing a ladder style workout using the Hope Fitness mini bands as well as a pair of dumbbells. If you're interested in getting your own mini bands, I'll go ahead and put a link in my captions with a discount code. For this workout, we'll start with 5 repetitions of each, drop down to 4, 3, 2, and then 1. After that, you'll take a 1-minute break and then do them all over again. So grab your bands, grab your weights and a mat, and let's get started.
Kicking off this ladder workout is hammer curls to an overhead press. Notice that the resistance bands is placed around the wrists and you're pulling slightly against it for extra resistance. The second exercise is standing rows. Just like before, the band is around the wrists, and when you pull up, think about squeezing the shoulder blades together. When you're ready, get into position and begin your 5 curls to overhead presses. With your stance, make sure to keep feet about shoulder width apart and a soft bend in the knees. The abdominals are tight and the back straight. Once these are complete, go right into your rows and give me 5 of them. Exhale when you row, inhale when the arms extend down. All right, we're moving down to 4. Hitting those biceps and overhead presses. You've got this, keep going strong. When you're ready, give me those 4 rows. Keep the good form all the way through. Okay, we're down to 3. Awesome work, keep it up. Okay, rows, 3 of these. Keep breathing, we're almost there. Down to 2. Give me those 2 rows. Finishing with singles. You made it, take a quick break. For the second series, take the heavier band and place it around your legs just above the knees. The first exercise is power squats, pushing against the band. These will be followed by basic squats down and up, sinking back in those heels and squeezing the glutes on top. When you're ready, begin your 5 power squats, sinking back nice and low and make sure the heels touch the ground. Now let's do 5 basic squats. Working down the ladder, you have 4 power squats. Moving on, give me those 4 basic squats. Keep it going. You're down to 3. You're doing so great, keep it up. Give me those 3 basic squats. These squats are your active recoveries between the power squats. Down to 2. And finishing with singles. You got it. For this next round, we're sticking with the heavier band and placing it around the wrists in a kneeling position. These are going to be chest presses. Pull the band towards the chest, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and press out. While kneeling, keep the back straight and the abdominals tight. The second move is tricep push-ups. The elbows are tight to the side, and you can stay on your knees or toes. Here we go, let's begin with the chest presses. Pull in and out, and give me 5 of these. Once that's complete, set the band down and let's knock out those tricep push-ups. Remember to keep the core engaged and the elbows tight. You're doing great. Grab that band and let's go back to chest presses. Now give me 4 tricep push-ups. Keep breathing. This set definitely has you moving. We're going back to the chest for 3. Come on, keep it up. Give me those push-ups. Almost done. We're down to 2. Let's finish strong with singles. Fantastic work! For this last combo, we're working the abs. Place the heavier band around the ankles and lie down on your mat. To protect your lower back, place your hands under your hips and raise the legs up to the ceiling. Let's do leg raises. Inhale on the way down. Go ahead and lower the legs till they're about parallel to the ground, and then exhale, bring them back up, pulling slightly against the band. The second exercise is a reverse curl crunch, again pressing your legs against the band. When you're ready, let's go ahead and begin our 5 repetitions of each. Begin with those leg raises. Inhale on the way down, exhale when the legs come back up. Moving on, let's do those reverse crunches. You have 5 of them. Back down to 4 leg raises. Inhale on the way down, exhale when those legs come up. Remember to keep pressing against the band for extra tension. Reverse crunches for 4. You're about halfway there. 3 leg raises. Now 3 reverse crunches. You're down to 2. This is it. Last one of each. Finish strong. You made it. Awesome work.
Thank you for doing today's video. If this is your first time completing this video, go ahead and start it over and get a second set in. If you've already done multiple sets, great job, you did it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow my Instagram at Allyfitatl.